Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do the transparent text effect in Canva. First, navigate to the Canva website on the browser. Now reach the blank page and select the image. Adjust the image and click on the text option on the left panel. After that, select add the heading and enter any text you want. Then click on the font at the top and choose any font you like. Place the text in the center and enlarge its size. Next, select the text and click on the effects option in the top line. On the left panel, select the hollow design and keep the thickness at 51. Hit the share button and select the download option. Then click on download and choose the file to save the image. Now scroll down to the next page and drag the downloaded image onto it. Select the page and click on the colors icon at the top. After that, select the black color as a background and click on the BG remover to remove the image's actual background. Place the image on the page and click on the share button. Select download and choose page 3 to download it. Next, hit the done button and select the file to download it. Following that, drag the downloaded image onto the same page. Select the text of the first image and choose none as a style. Then select the image that you've added and right click on it. Now click on layers and adjust it on top of the first picture as shown on the screen. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.